Hey YouTube! Today I'm at Lavender Farm and have a look at these beautiful fields. The moment I reached Lavender Land, the first thing that I saw was this cute little gift shop right beside the entrance, and obviously I could not just walk past it. I had to go inside and see what they had. It was lavender everywhere, from candles, soaps, essential oils, dried lavender bouquets. There were so many things to look at. The whole shop smelled so fresh and it instantly got me even more excited because I knew if the gift shop was this nice, I could not wait to see the actual farm. After looking around for a bit, we picked our tickets from here and it was finally time to go inside. Hey YouTube family, I am actually at this lavender farm which is in Richmond city, situated at Steveston Highway, and look how beautiful and how huge these farms are. And I'm actually attending a workshop here which is a beautiful experience and something unique that I haven't done really, and they're teaching us how to make the lavender oils and all those products that you can get from these lavenders, actually using these lavenders from the farm. It's a beautiful experience and I'm going to mention all those things in the description and show you some clips from my workshop. It's a very different experience, and this is summer 2026. So far my summer is going great, and this year it's been such a beautiful year for me. I recently hit down my 1K subscribers on YouTube, which is a very big achievement for me, because I know it could be a very small achievement for other people around, but for me it's like a beautiful thing that I did and a little bit of accomplishment. So each and every one of you who has been with me so far, thank you so much. And for all the new people joining me, thank you so much for coming to my channel. I really appreciate you coming and stopping by and seeing all my videos. And I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. So I'm gonna mention all the things and all about the tickets and the duration of the workshop, or even if you don't want to come and do the workshop, you can simply come here. The ticket price is very nominal. It's I guess around $15 to $20. So check out all these things, and these lavenders just be here for few days. I think it go around till August, so it's not that long enough, but it's beautiful. I have been personally fan of lavender smell. I really like it. It's part of my essential oils as well. So what an experience. Alright, so the first thing that we are doing today was the lavender workshop, and I thought this was actually the best way to start the experience, because instead of just walking around and taking pictures, I wanted to know a little bit more about lavender itself. Previously I've gone to tulip fields, sunflower farms too, but somehow I have never visited a lavender farm, so this was actually completely new to me. The workshop started with a small introduction, and I learned quite a few things that I genuinely didn't know before about lavender. One thing I really found interesting was that lavender is not just about the flowers looking pretty, it's used in so many byproducts. People have been using it for years because of its relaxing fragrance. And then it was finally time to go to the lavender fields itself. They gave each one of us a basket and a pair of scissors, and before we start picking, they explained the correct way to cut the stems so the plants stay healthy and continue growing. I never thought there was an actual technique to it, but here's me cutting the lavender. It was my turn, ended up being one of my favorite parts of the whole day. Just walking through the rows full of lavenders, picking our own stems, enjoying the fresh air, and it was such a peaceful experience so far. After collecting enough lavender stems, we made our own little abundance to take home. I really like this thing in workshop because it's just not about listening, but actually making your own experience by doing these things hands-on. We actually got to experience every steps ourselves. That made it so much more memorable. Next they showed us was how the hydrosol and essential oils are made through this distillation process. I have seen these products in so many different stores, but watching how they're actually made was really interesting to me. That was something that really made a difference. By the end of this workshop, I felt like I appreciated the farm so much more. Now it's not just about the flowers. I actually understood how everything that goes into growing and harvesting them. So it made a difference for me to learn about these things from the workshop. Now it was finally time to explore the rest of Lavender Land. The place is honestly so beautiful to walk around. There's also a small little rose garden that you're seeing right now. I wasn't expecting this at all. Beautiful roses along the pathways. Every few steps there was something cute, as in photo spots, swings, vintage style decorations, carriage, and so many little things to have pictures with. These particular heart-shaped props was my favorite one. This is my last picture, but somehow I ended up taking so many pictures, I kept on saying to myself. And if you're planning to come here with the family, they also have a really nice kids play area. So it's not just about the people who want pictures. It can also be a fun day for everyone, with a picnic day with the family. I can totally imagine people coming here for all kinds of shoots like pre-wedding, maternity, family pictures, birthdays, or even just to capture some beautiful summer memories, or even like me, just to get some Instagram or YouTube content. There's so many little corners around the farm that every picture ends looking up so different and so beautiful. So if you're planning to do any kind of photo shoot, check this one out. You know, moments like this always make me stop and think for a second. A few years ago, if someone had told me I would be spending my weekends walking through these lavender fields in Canada, I probably would have laughed. Life really has a funny way of surprising you. Moving here has given me so many experiences that I've never imagined in my life. From cherry blossoms in springs to tulip fields, sunflower farms, and now these lavender fields. Every season here has its own colors, its own beauty, and I feel like every year I discover something new. Summer has honestly become one of my favorite seasons because there's always somewhere new to explore, something new to do. Sometimes it's not even about the destination, it's about slowing down, enjoying the moment, and making memories like this. And I think that's one of the biggest reasons I love creating these vlogs and content. Years from now, I'll be able to look back on these videos and remember exactly how this day felt. And not only that, I also don't like the fall season, those gloomy rainy days, because I live in Vancouver, and whenever I have these summer pictures and summer vlogs, I always look upon these videos and pictures that I made during summer. It kind of makes me more hopeful about the upcoming summer. As we kept on exploring, I noticed there were so many little details all around the farm that made it feel really special. It's those small touches that make you want to slow down, and instead of just walking around straight through it, you want to take some pictures and slow down and enjoy it. So if you're planning to visit, I would definitely say wear something comfortable because you'll be walking quite a bit around. Comfortable shoes are a good idea, but at the same time, don't forget to wear something you'll feel good in, because this place is absolutely made for pictures. Whether it's a casual summer outfit, a flowy dress, or even something a little dressier, the lavender fields make such a beautiful backdrop. So now we are almost towards the end. So this was my beautiful day, and the workshop was so lit. The workshop was so good. I thoroughly enjoyed it. We got so many goodies. We got the essential oils. We made our own lavender bouquets. It was a beautiful day indeed. So just a last view to all my YouTube fans of these farms. Till next time in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day. Bye.